Hey guys, it's me, Theo. I've just been through a hurricane. So I wanted to let you guys know that I was alright. And I evacuated my apartment okay. And then I stayed with friends. And we didn't have any of the water and electricity and telephone and all that, but we were still okay. And we made it through this weekend. Lots of trees are being were being uprooted, so you can see all the roots. They're all huge, and I took a bunch of pictures. I don't know if I'll be able to attach them to the computer right now. There's a big pile of cords, and I'd have to tackle that. So I'm back. I came back to the apartment, and they turned on the electricity today, so I'm psyched. Because I spent last night here without electricity and had the candles. Those weird, satanic candles they sell at Fiesta? Well, they're not satanic. They're they got skeletons on them, and they're black and white, and it says, Los Muertos or whatever. I think it's, it's not satanic, but really deeply spiritual or something. Whatever it is, they were the cheapest ones there, and so I had a couple of those. And they started to creep me out, though, so I gave them to a friend today, who I thought didn't have electricity. But anyway, so all that stuff, the refrigerator's starting to get cold again, and it's back to running, and stores are taking their boards down and stuff. And I went to work because I didn't know if I just assumed I'd still have to go to work, right, even with the boards and stuff. And so I didn't have an alarm clock, so when I woke up, I went to work. That was I'm supposed to be there at 6, but I got there at 7:30, I think, 8. Anyway, nobody knows what time it is when all this shit is going on. So I went there, and there was flooding, so we cleaned it all up, and I, just took care of some of the animals that were there, though most of them had been evacuated. And I talked to Pierre today, and I think I told you guys that he was supposed to take the 4-week vacation, but it turns into a forever vacation because he's not allowed back in the United States, right? So even with this last disaster, I've been sort of impelled to make a decision quicker than I wanted to about whether I'd stay or go. But I think after this weekend, I think I'm gonna probably head out of Houston at the end of October, I think, or the beginning of November. Dia de los Muertos, maybe? November 1st, right? And so, because I miss him. And I think if I did that, I'd feel better and be able to enjoy my time away from him, which I do because it's quiet and stuff, there's no, he chatters all the time. He talks all the time. And constantly. It's a constant stream. He can wake up even before coffee's talking until he goes to sleep at night. And so I really love silence. I really love being alone. And so I wanted to enjoy this time, but I can't if he can't come back. So if he can't come back, I got to go to France. So I'm going to go back because he's been, I got to go back to Paris. And so I made some okay videos in Paris, and I felt like they were a lot better than they were here. I know they were. I X'd out a lot of videos because I was like, I don't know. I wanted to just make better videos. But anyway, I wanted to say a quick hello to my family and friends and say I am fine. And I should be eating pretty regularly and normally soon. And everything's good. Been reading a little bit. I almost finished Viktor Frankl's Man's Search for Meaning, which is always a fun read, and I really like it. And that's all I have to say. I just wanted to say hello and tell you guys I'm here.